Students, we are going to solve with exercise 5.3. The first question is 2m minus 5 the whole cube. But before we start with that, let's revise. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So when we are going to place the 2m as a and 5 as b, so we are going to get our answer as 2m the whole cube minus 3 into 2m square into 5, then plus 3 into 2m into 5 square minus 5 cube. So when we are going to multiply it, we will be getting it the answer as the square of 2 is, the cube of 2 is 8, so 8m cube. We are going to multiply this, 2 2s are 4 and 4 into 3, that will give us 12, 12 into 5, that will give us 60. The minus sign is over here, so we will get it here as minus 60 and this m square. Then we will come over here, we are going to get the square of 5 is 25. The square of 5 is 25, so 5 2s are 25 2s are is 50, 50 multiply with 3. So we will get as 150 and m. So the sign is plus over here. So we are going to put here 150 and this m over here. And here it is minus 5 multiply 3 times. So cube of 5 is 125. And since it is the power is 3, so it will be minus over here. Okay, so we are going to put it like that way. So that we have derived over here is our answer, and we will make a box. Similarly, we will do with the second sum. So our second sum is 4 minus p the whole cube. So we will put its values properly. So here we get the answer, that is 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square into p plus 3 into 4 into p square minus p cube. So the cube of 4 is 4 4s are 8, 8 4s are 60. Sorry, 4 4s are is 16 and 16 4s are is 64. Here we get the answer, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are is 48 and 48p. So the answer here will be minus 48p. Now here it is a plus sign. So here 3 4s are 12 and p cube. And here it will be minus p square and here minus p cube. So this is our final answer. We will do similarly with it with the next sum, that is 7x minus 9y the whole cube. So students, after putting the values, we are getting 7x cube minus 3 into 7x square into 9y plus 3 into 7x into 9y square minus 9y cube. So when we are going to put the values, we are going to get 7 cube. So the cube of 7 is, students, I have already sent you the picture about cubes and squares. So now I hope that you would have learned. So the cube of square is 343x cube. Okay, then here the square is 49 into 3. So what we get, 49 into 3 and then multiply with 9. So here the answer that we get is 1323. Here x, so x square, and here y, that is y. Now here we are going to put the square of 9 is 81 and 3 into 7 is 21. So 21 into 81, we get the answer as 1701. Here only one x and here y square, so we will put y square over here. Now students, here minus sign. Here what is the square of 9? The cube of 9. The cube of 9 is, I have given you, so I hope you have learned, that is 729y cube. Now similarly students, we will go with the next one, that is a single number, that is 58 cube. Now how to solve that 58 cube? We know, students, that the 58 can be written as 60 minus 2. You can write it down like this way, students. Yes. So 58 we consider as 60 minus 2 and we are going to find its cube. Because multiplying it 68, then again multiply it 3 times, so it will be a very big procedure, and if you make any mistake in the multiplication, then the answer may be wrong. So that is why, students, your multiplication should be very much proper. You should be by-hearted with your tables and also with the squares and with the cubes of the numbers to solve it, and also with the formula. So let's go it further, students. As per when we are going to solve, so as per the formula we will get. So after solving we get this as our, after putting the values we get, now you know, students, that the cube of 6 is 216, and your 0, so 0 is 3 times, so we can directly take the cube of the particular number when it is a number where it is in the tens form. Put the number, the cube of it, and how many times it is cubed. So we will put 3 zeros to it. Then we are going to multiply 60 into 16. So we are going to get 3600. Multiply with 3 into 2. That is 3 into 2, that is 6. So 3600 multiply with 6. We get the answer as 21600. Here we'll put the plus sign. Here 2 2s is 4, 4 into 3, that is 12. 12 multiply with 60. So we get the answer as 720. And then the cube of 2, that is 8. Here we'll put 8, and here which sign it is having a minus sign, so we'll put like this. Similarly, students, the next question, that is 198 cube. So 198 cube we can write it as 200 minus 2. Okay, students, so it's cube. So when we write it down, we'll get the formula according to it. Yes, students, afterwards we get this answer. Now we are going to solve. The cube of 2 is 8. So 8, here how many zeros? 2 zeros. So multiply with, we are going to multiply it 3 times. So 1, 2 and 3. So what answer we get? We nearly get 80 lakh. Okay. Now here we are going to multiply it, the square of 200. So 200 will be 4, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and multiply with 2 into 2, 3 2s is 6. So when we will multiply it, we will get it as 6 into 4, 0, 0, 0, 0. That is about 40,000 plus. Here we will take it as 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 into 200. And here we have the answer of it as 8. Okay, so we are going to solve it further. Students, if you want to add one more line to it for solution, you can add it, no problem, it is okay. So we write down the same number over here, 80 lakh. Then when we will multiply this number, we are going to get it as 240000 plus, when we will multiply this, here we will get 2400 minus 8. So after, when we are going to solve this, we, after the calculations, will get the answer as 776239. After you are going to add, and after, now see students, here it is minus and minus, you will take it together, and here plus and plus. So when you are subtracting the numbers, you have to be very much particular about the signs, and you have to do. So with this, students, we have completed our exercise 5. We have completed. Still there are more questions that we will be solving it. So we will be solving it. And students, if you have any doubts regarding the solution of the chapter, the students can wear the mask and can come to the school between 11 to 12. So students, our next sum is 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. So according to it, we are going to put the formulas over there. Formulas, and we are going to put the values. So students, after putting the values, we are getting this 2p the whole cube into 3 into 2p square. So 2p square I have just written as 2p into 1 upon p plus 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p square. So I have just written 1 upon p and 1 upon p over here, and minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. So now we are going to, so now what we will do, this 2p and this 2p we are going to cancel it, and this 2p and this 2p, because when we cancel we get the answer as 1. So now we will be solving it. So the cube of 2 is 8, so 8p cube. Then we are going to multiply this. So we will get the answer as, we are getting 3 into 2. So when we will multiply, we will get it as 6p plus here 3 upon 1 upon 2p. So it will be 3 2p, and here the answer will be minus square cube of 1 is 1, then 8p cube. So it will 2p cube, it will be 8p cube. That is our answer. So we will make a box. That is our final answer. Okay students, we'll go with, similarly we'll go with the next. So students, will go with the next, that is 1 minus 1 upon a the whole cube. So when we'll put the values, we'll get the answer like this: 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square into 1 upon a plus 3 into 1 into 1 upon a the whole square minus 1 upon a the whole cube. So you know students that 1 cube is 1 only, and square of 1 is also 1. So we'll get the answer like this. So we'll get the answer as 1. Then here it will be 3 into 1. So it will be minus 3 upon a. Then we'll have plus. It will be 3 upon 1 square is 1. A square is a square. And then we have minus 1 upon a cube. So this is our final answer. And then the last sum of this exercise, we have x minus 3 upon x the whole cube. So I have written like this way. If you want, then you can open it, and instead of it you can write down 2 times also x upon 3 into x upon 3 if you don't want to write down square over here. Okay, so this is when we are going to solve it, what will happen, this x, this is the reciprocal of this number. So this 3 and 3 is going, x upon 3 into 3 upon x will become 1 because we are going to cancel it. So here this will cancel and this will cancel. Similarly over here also what we are going to do, this we are going to cancel and this we are going to cancel. Why we are cancelling 2 over here? Because it is 3 upon x into 3 upon x. So 1 3 upon x we have cancelled with x upon 3. So that is why we are getting this as our answer. So now we will be solving it. So what we will get the answer is x cube. The square cube of 3 is 27. Here we have 1. So here we have minus 3 x upon 3. Then here we have as plus. We have here 3 into 3, that is 9. And then we have x over here. And here we have 3. So it is 27 cube. 3 cube is 27 and x cube. Now students, here you can see that we can cancel this 3 and this 3. So our final answer is x cube minus 27 minus x plus 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. Okay, so this is our final answer. I hope you have understood students. If still you have any doubts, you can come to the school between 11 to 12. Thank you.